Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP, USD, British Pound, US Dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of GBP, USD in front of us. And as you can see, the GBP, USD after the fall is right now looks confused. Market is under consolidation, and yes, there is a further downside possible. So let's discuss the trading opportunities and possibilities one by one. First of all, let's look at the chart of DXY. Yesterday we discussed about the importance of DXY breaking the level here to continue the upside, and according to expectations, DXY broke the previous high of 103.1214 and made a high of 103.42, and it looks like the DXY is trying to continue the upside. And yes, the structure of the market has also changed. We can see that DXY is forming higher highs right now, breaking the previous highs. Therefore, there's a high chance that during the US session or by next week, DXY will try to continue the upside. So overall, we can see that there is a high chance of a trend reversal on DXY, and DXY looks bullish right now, both technically and fundamentally. And if you look at the chart of GBP USD, the GBP USD, as I said, is right now under consolidation. And right now we can see that the structure of the market is also not very positive. We can see that whenever market is going up, it is unable to form higher high or cross the previous high, which signifies that sellers are still have got good influence over the market. But if you look at the overall trend, then overall trend of the market is bullish. So there is a contradiction between the overall trend and the present trend. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, then obviously you should be following the overall trend of the market. Means you should be looking for buy at support. But on the other hand, if you're a day trader, if you're looking for day trading opportunities, then you should be following the present trend of the market, which is towards the downside. So yesterday market made a low of 1.2592. This was the low made by the GBP USD yesterday. So by the European session or by US session, if GBP USD breaks 1.2590, 1.2592 level with a red candle, we can look for a sell position, and our target will be 1.2550. Around 1.2550 we have the 200 moving average, as well as it's a round number. As we all know, round numbers are psychological support or resistances because of bulk order execution. So if you take a sell position, if you get an opportunity to take a sell below 1.2592 level, you can book your profit by 1.2550, and there's a good chance that market will continue the downside. Okay, so this is the first trading opportunity on the chart of GBP USD, and right now we can see that GBP USD is trying to go up. We can see GBP USD is showing price rejection from below. So during the day, if you see GBP USD recovering, then we can look for some selling opportunity around 1.2690 to 1.2700. Around 1.2690, 1.2700, we have the first resistance, or we have the first presence of sellers because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level around the area, as well as we have previous support acting as resistance. So if we combine both the factors, 1.2690, 2700 seems to be a good resistance. If market goes up, and if we see that market is struggling around this area, market is unable to cross it, showing price rejection from above, okay, we can look for a sell. Okay. On the other hand, if market breaks it also, we have next immediate resistance around 1.2720. Fibonacci 50% retracement level, and Fibo 50 is a good level on GBP USD. I have seen that. So 1.2690 to 2700 and 1.2720 are the two levels where we can look for a sell position. Right now I'm analyzing the market on 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours is a slow time frame, so you can simply switch to the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame for price ejection, to see or observe the price ejection from above. And if the volatility of the market remains like this, okay, then we also have a weak resistance around 1.2665 to 1.2670. This dotted line here, okay, this dotted line is a weak resistance level, but still, if the volatility of the market is not very high, then you can also see the market is struggling around this area. If market reverses, we can also look for a sell, but with proper risk management. Okay, this is not a very strong level. Not all the levels in the market are of the equal strength. As a result, we need to manage the risk accordingly. So on the chart of GBUSD, we have got two good resistances. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. But if the volatility of the market is low and market decides to reverse from 1.2665 or around this level, there also we can look for a sell. But yes, to break the level, to break the for a breakdown, volume is extremely important. So go for a sell if you see the market is going down with a big red candle. Do we have any news today? Yes, we have Michigan consumer sentiment coming up, but it's not a very big event like NFP or CPI. So this will not be a very big event that will completely change the direction of the market. But still, there can be some volatility. So please be careful. Watch the economy calendar to find out the timing. But overall, the market may remain like this because today is Friday and also the last day of the month. So do not gamble. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye. Take care. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Yes, the Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after a 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things.